It's like
Get my face in here.
This is from Daddy. Oh boy, it's from Daddy. Yeah. Oh, how about we open it?
Instead of eat it.
Yeah, instead of eating it. There's this part. What's in there? Reach in. Reach in.
Oh.
Pull it out. Pull it out. Pull it out. Jim, grab it.
I think I grabbed the paper.
10 minutes later.
Pull it out.
Is that a pack?
Yay!
Those are some
Ooh, look at
boots.
those
Hey, hey, hey,
boots.
hey,
Jake.
hey. There.
Wow.
Hey.
He's like, I don't know
Jake.
if this tastes good or not.
Austin.
Here's your soap.
Look at Mommy.
Austin.
Jake.
Oh, he says thank you, Daddy.
Thank you, Daddy.
There's the smile.
Thank you, Daddy. Oh boy, there's my boots. There's my boots.
Aw.
One more paper.
Those are cute.
Boy, and they got what? Look at there. Oh, these are cool boots. Oh,
Yep, they came a long way for Austin.
Where'd they come?
Afghanistan.
Yeah, Kyrgyzstan, or whatever that country
wow.
is. Yeah.
Those are
Yeah, he likes them.
handcrafted.
he
Yeah.
likes those boots. Oh, do they taste good? Yeah.
Aw.
Yeah.
Taste like.
Chicken.
Well, you never know.
Weird.
All right.
Boy.
I'm
Let's
gonna
slip
put
one
them on. Yeah, they open in the back.
Yeah, that shoe's on the wrong foot, but that's okay.
It opens in the back. It's easier that way. It says the
Oh, that's the Velcro. We'll put one on.
He's like, what are you doing? What's going on? Oh, how cute is that? Oh, those will keep your feet nice and warm.
Yeah.
Can't stuff the foot in there. There we go. Yay!
Yay!